go to your YouTube channel and click on the create. Once you click on the create, you will see three options. Upload video is the next one that you have to click on. Select the file that you want to upload. So I have the video for St. Augustine, Nights of Lights. It will ask you for the title. I have pasted this in my notepad. I usually keep it ready, so this is a tip for you. I also have vidIQ installed over here, which will tell me the score of the title, and then usually around 85 to 90 is good. And after that, you will have to enter the description. So put some relevant description for your video. This I have learned very recently that emojis would try to make the description better. So try to use the emojis, and then you have to add the tags. Don't stuff it. Tag stuffing is not allowed. Then you have to upload the thumbnail. Thumbnail is very, very important. It should be catchy. So upload it and select the file that you have created. Once you have uploaded that, then there's an option for playlist. Add to the playlist whatever is relevant. So for me, it's Florida travel. You have to select whether the video is made for the kids or no. So I clicked on no. And then there's a section for age restriction. So if you want to restrict the video to 18 and above or not, so there is an option for that. Then the altered content. This was recently introduced. And automatic chapters, I usually keep it as it is by whatever is the default setting. Then you have to enter the tags. Keep the tags ready in advance and then paste it here. There are a variety of options here. You don't need to select everything, but whatever is applicable you can select, otherwise just leave it as it is. Then there are options for shorts remixing. This option is because if somebody wants to use your video in their shorts, then if you want to allow that or not, then I usually do allow. Then category. So this is a travel video, so I'm selecting. This is a very, very important step. You need to select the appropriate category. Comments are on, so I usually like people to be commenting on my video. Click on next. You will reach the monetization tab. So monetization tab is on, so this will appear only if your channel is monetized. After that, important step is review the placement of the ads. Then ad suitability. Click none of the above. You should make sure your video has appropriate content. This is about that. You have to select submit rating. If you don't select that, then you are going to get error at the top. You have to click on next and it will go to the video elements. Now there are two things that you need to do. First is adding the end screens and then adding the cards. So end screens usually has few options what you can select. If you click on the element, you will see the options. There are a variety of formats. I usually try to keep everything at the top. So you can either select the video, playlist, whatever you want. Here are some video element options. Like if you are clicking on the video, then whether you are selecting most recent upload or whatever is best for viewer, or the next one is you are particularly asking for a specific video. So I usually select that because that way I can know that what is the next video that I want user to watch. I'm also showing you how to add a playlist. Now on the element, click on the playlist and select the one, so it will appear here. Add cards. You can add video, playlist, whatever you want out of these options given. You can add maximum up to 5 videos over here. I have added 5 cards in this. And then after that, if you click on next, then you are reaching on the final checks. There will be copyright checks that will be done. If you are selecting any music that is copyrighted, then you have to add a license for that music. Click on the agreement. You will see all these checks completed. So click on next. Now you will be on the final visibility tab. So in the visibility, you will see that visibility has private, unlisted, members only and public. I usually try to keep it unlisted because if your channel is monetized, it's good to keep it for a couple of hours and see any issues are there or not. And after the final save, your video is now uploaded. So guys, if you like my video and if you like my experience, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.